After leaving Iowa, I take several days driving southwest to Estes, Colorado, where I'll visit the Rocky Mountain National Park. Well, I'm in the Rocky Mountain National Park. Hey, Shirley, I made it. Hey, Sam. So, I'll be out here for about 5 days. Not out in the park, but in Estes Park. And the entrance to the national park is a few miles away. I should mention, too, that during the government shutdown, uh, the park rangers are not taking entrance fees. There's no timed entry, so you can come inside the park, come and go as you please. Today's a Monday. There aren't a whole lot of people around, which is nice. Yesterday, as I drove into Estes Park, it was crowded. So a lot of folks were probably here for the weekend, and they've gone home. So here it is. And I'm going to show you some views, some photographs I've taken. There's no drone flying in National Park, so you will not see any drone footage. But this is spectacular. So I'm going to take all this in. I am currently inside of the Rocky Mountain National Park, my first time here. And I'm heading to a location called Trail Ridge Road. It is a 24-mile scenic drive, and I hope to capture some photographs and video. You guys know how I roll. This is what I like to do. And it just brings me joy, it brings me peace, and it is a hobby. Photography is a hobby. Flying my drone is a hobby. Now, I can tell you guys this. I'm going to be here for the entire day. Right now, it is about 8:45 a.m. Up in Nova Scotia, I didn't have much luck looking for moose, but I was told that this is elk season. The elk are rutting, a mating call, and right now it's starting to snow. And the temperature is 37 degrees.
Claro, es que eso...